Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And let's discuss today how to rank the data in KNIME. So for this, we will go in KNIME Analytics platform. I'll activate input output from here. In this, I'll activate CSV reader. And I'll double click on it. It will be in the position for me to browse the dataset which is in CSV format. Press apply, click OK. Right click on it and execute the node. Now, again right click on it and see the file table. I want to rank this age in some chronology, either in ascending or descending. How can I do it? So for this, I'll activate rank. Double click on it. Now again configure this node, add from here. On its own, it will pick up age. You can either select ascending or descending from here. You can also have a grouping attributes if necessary. Press apply, click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, just go here, right click on it and see the ranked data. You can see that the age has been arranged in the chronological order and the rank has been given. Now, I can also introduce the grouping variable here, that is gender. Press apply, click OK. So the different ranks will be given according to the male and female. Execute. Rank data. So you can see the male and female, the ranks are different. So this is a way you can rank the data in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on KNIME.